William Gilbert, the father of magnetism. William Gilbert, a renowned English physician and natural philosopher, is widely regarded as the father of magnetism. His groundbreaking work, De Magnete, published in 1600, revolutionized our understanding of magnetism and laid the foundation for the development of modern electrical science. Gilbert's meticulous experiments and insightful observations provided a wealth of knowledge that continues to influence scientific research today. Born in Colchester, England in 1544, Gilbert pursued a career in medicine, earning a degree from Cambridge University. However, his true passion lay in the study of natural phenomena. Intrigued by the mysterious properties of magnets, Gilbert dedicated much of his life to investigating their behavior and characteristics. Through careful experimentation, he made several significant discoveries that challenged prevailing theories and laid the groundwork for a new understanding of magnetism. One of Gilbert's most important contributions was his discovery that Earth itself acts as a giant magnet. He coined the term terrella to describe a spherical model of Earth made of lodestone, a naturally magnetized mineral. Gilbert demonstrated that the terrella exhibited magnetic properties similar to those of a compass needle, aligning itself with the Earth's magnetic field. This groundbreaking insight provided a compelling explanation for the behavior of compasses, which had been used for navigation for centuries. In addition to his work on Earth's magnetism, Gilbert also conducted extensive experiments to investigate the properties of magnets. He discovered that magnets could attract or repel each other, depending on their orientation. He also observed that the magnetic force decreased with distance, and that heating a magnet could weaken or destroy its magnetic properties. These findings provided valuable insights into the nature of magnetic fields and their interactions. Gilbert's De Magnete was a comprehensive treatise on magnetism, covering a wide range of topics, from the history of magnetism to practical applications. The book was widely read and translated into multiple languages, making Gilbert's work accessible to a broad audience. His meticulous observations and detailed experiments set a new standard for scientific inquiry, inspiring future generations of scientists. Gilbert's legacy extends far beyond his work on magnetism. His contributions to the development of scientific methodology and his emphasis on empirical observation had a profound impact on the scientific revolution. His De Magnete is considered a classic of scientific literature, and his name is synonymous with the study of magnetism. In conclusion, William Gilbert's pioneering work on magnetism laid the foundation for the development of modern electrical science. His discovery that Earth acts as a giant magnet and his investigations into the properties of magnets provided valuable insights that continue to influence scientific research today. Gilbert's legacy as the father of magnetism is a testament to his brilliance and his enduring contributions to the field of natural philosophy.